Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. So former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero, ay sinagot ang nagtatanong kung sino kina Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios ang magwawagi sa laban nila mamaya. Ayon kay Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero ay ang puso ko nasa Pinoy pero pag ako kausap mo boss real talk kaso ako, hindi mababasag si Barrios dyan. Sa madaling salita ay hindi kakayanin ni Manny Pacquiao na patumbahin si Mario Barrios. Nagpaliwanag din si WBC President Mauricio Sulaiman, kung bakit binigyan pa nila ng laban itong si Manny Pacquiao. Ayon sa kanya ay lahat naman ng requirement lalong-lalo na ang mga medical ay napasa naman daw lahat ni Pacquiao. Maliban dyan ay pinagbutuhan daw ng lahat ng committee ng WBC kung ibibigay ang laban kay Manny Pacquiao at ito naman ay aprobado ng WBC committee. Dagdag pa dyan ay deserve naman mabigyan ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao dahil isa itong alamat sa mundo ng larong boxing. Marami din ang kumbensido na talagang mananalo dito si Manny Pacquiao kontra Mario Barrios, dahil si Manny Pacquiao ay isa itong halimaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Samantala asawa at anak ni Mario Barrios ay talagang todo suporta sa kanya, at naniniwala na mananalo itong si Mario Barrios.
So, you've seen your brothers fight, you've helped them prepare for the fights, but Mario, biggest fight of his career, opportunity to fight a legend like Manny Pacquiao. Are you anticipating that? Is it any kind of feeling different, you know?
I mean, I feel like I'm so used to it. Like, I've been around boxing for so long with Omar first and then Brandon and now like her dad. So I feel like obviously I still get nervous, but for me it's just like, I just hope they come out safe in the ring. That's always what I pray for my brother to come out safe, for her dad to come out safe, and obviously for them to win.
This is Manny Pacquiao. Obviously, you know pretty well who that is. What goes through your mind when you hear that Mario's fighting Manny Pacquiao?
I'm very proud of him for him to get to this level. I've always been a Manny Pacquiao fan. Like, he's top 3 my favorite fighter. So for him to be fighting him and then having our daughter like witness it and have those memories for when she grows up, it's just a very like surreal moment, a very wholesome moment. Yeah.
Okay, you're very experienced, you know boxing. Tell us, what do you think is going to happen this Saturday? How's it going to play?
I want Mario to win, hopefully by knockout, but I saw Pacquiao, like, he looks good for his age. Like, he looks very in shape. And I know he trains, like, he's always just, even like at his age, right? Like, not fighting, he stays in shape. So I think it's gonna be war. Yeah.
What do you tell all of the fans, the Figueroa fans, the Barrios fans, that are gonna tune in? What do you tell them?
I just want to say thank you. I appreciate the support always. Yeah, I'm just excited to be here and to witness it all and have my daughter present with us now. She's gonna be a little boxing fan too. Say hi, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you. I mean, I've always been into fitness. Like, that's always been my thing. Even when I was pregnant with her, I think I only gained 12 pounds total. She was 7 pounds. So, yeah, so I was able to get back to my body quick. I got a personal trainer. I've been personal training with him, Nick, from Top Gym for the past 4 months now. So he's been helping me get in shape. Hopefully I'm going to open up my gym again, start training again, get back to what I used to do. Yeah.
Okay, her dad's a fighter, her mom's a trainer, her grandfather's a fighter, her uncles are fighters. What are the chances of her becoming a
I know. Even Prithia Selena was an awesome boxer, so it's just in her blood for sure.
It's going to happen.
I think, I mean, whatever her heart desires. If she wants to be a little boxer, then we're going to support her. If she wants to do anything else, then support her.
Alright, tell all the fans where to follow you.
Omaira Lilian on Instagram. Thank you.
This side.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wins World TV. So kapag naging matagumpay itong si former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao kontra sa WBC Welterweight World Champion Mario Barrios sa susunod na buwan, ay isusunod niya na itong si current undefeated WBA Lightweight World Champion Gervonta Tank Davis, ayon sa MP Promotion President Sean Gibbons. Dahil dito marami ang nag-aalala at nagsasabi na huwag na niyang tangkain labanan si Tank Davis dahil panigurado gag-apang lang itong si Manny Pacquiao sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Bukod dyan ay masyado na daw itong mabagal at mahina na ang kanyang mga suntok, kumpara kay Tank Davis. Ngunit ganun pa man ay nagsalita na rin itong si Tank Davis tungkol sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Ayon kay Tank Davis ay isang napakadelikadong kalaban umano itong si Manny Pacquiao, kaya isa itong karangalan para sa kanya ang makalaban ito. Dumako naman tayo sa iba pang mga balita. Manny Pacquiao at Eric Morales muling nagkita at nagkasama sa pagdalo para sa 2025 International Boxing Hall of Fame induction ceremonies. Kitang-kita dito na talagang mahal na mahal talaga ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang mga naging kalaban. Ito ang tinatawag mong alamat, dahil halos lahat ng kalaban na kaharap niya ay mga kaibigan na ngayon at nirerespeto siya ng kanyang kalaban. Mga boksingero, walang personal na kasalanan para kay Manny dahil nirerespeto niya rin ang lahat ng kapwa niya boksingero, ni minsan ay hindi niya narinig na binasura niya ang sinumang kalaban na nakaharap niya, ang galing na lalaki at buhay na alamat. Marami din ang humanga sa sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao ayon sa kanya, ikaw ang aking kalaban sa ring pero hindi ko kalaban.
One right here, right over here. Heavyweight.
Just Jerry.
Come on, Jerry Cooney.
Hello? Ball to chip.
Dagdag pa sa ating mga balita. So Manny Pacquiao sumalang na sa intense sparring session kung saan ay nakasagupan niya ang tatlong malalaking partner na kung saan halin tulad ito sa kanyang kalaban na si Mario Barrios, na isang bagitong boksingero at matangkad. Ganyan ang mga ka-sparring mate ni former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao, na kung saan ay replika ng kanyang kalaban na mas bata na si Mario Barrios at para na rin may idea si Manny Pacquiao sa mga galawan nitong si Mario Barrios. Isa sa pinakamagaling na boksingero itong si Manny Pacquiao sa lahat ng panahon at siya lang ang tanging boksingero na nanalo ng mga international na titulo sa magkakaibang timbang sa 8 division. Ang bawat ka-sparring nito ay tumagal sa maikling sesyon na humigit kumulang 3 minuto. Kaya kitang-kita sa litratong ito na talagang pagod na si former 8 World Division Champion Manny Pacquiao. Hindi rin naglabas ng video ang kampo ni Manny Pacquiao sa sparring na ito sa kadahilanan na ipinagbabawal ito, para na rin hindi masilip ng kampo ni Mario Barrios ang pinaggagawa ni Manny Pacquiao sa sparring at paghahanda kontra sa kanila. Dumako naman tayo sa iba pang mga balita.
Jimuel Pacquiao began carving his own path in the sport. During that period, Jimuel was training in San Diego under famed coach Eddie Reynoso, the same man behind Canelo's rise to dominance. It was there that Jimuel and Canelo were seen sharing gym space, an iconic moment that bridged 2 boxing dynasties. While they didn't spar, photos and video clips show Jimuel working on mitts while Canelo shadowboxed just feet away. The younger Pacquiao later described the experience as surreal, calling Canelo a humble and hard-working role model.
Your dad's a big fan of Canelo too. Legend. It's funny, before the fight, he told me that he wants his dad to retire after, you remember?
That brief but meaningful encounter symbolized a subtle passing of the torch, from one legendary name to a rising hopeful carrying the same bloodline. With that history in mind, Canelo's current presence around Pacquiao's training makes more sense than it may appear on the surface. It's possible that the earlier connection with Jimuel fostered a quiet respect between the Alvarez and Pacquiao camps, one that has now evolved into this unexpected collaboration. Fans are already dissecting every Instagram post and gym sighting, searching for evidence that the two legends are indeed training together. Some suggest this could be a strategic masterstroke aimed at unsettling both Barrios and Crawford ahead of their respective fights. Others believe it's simply two greats of the sport finding common ground through mutual respect and love for boxing, regardless of the motive.
Pacquiao in the winner.
Pacquiao in the winner.
Dagdag pa sa ating mga balita. So grabe nga talaga ang lakas ni former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero. Maski ang MMA fighter na si Vin Diesel ay ramdam na ramdam niya ang lakas ng tinaguriang angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero. Kahit malaki ang agwat ng kanilang laki, ay mahahalata mo dito na kayang-kaya patumbahin ni John Riel Casimero ang malahig antay niyang kasparring mate na si Vin Diesel. Bawat suntok ni Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero ay rinig na rinig dito ang malakas na impact ng kanyang suntok. Nangangahulugan na isa talagang napakalakas sumuntok at isang malakas na nilalang itong si John Riel Casimero. Sobrang napahanga talaga dito ang MMA fighter na si Vin Diesel kay John Riel Casimero, dahil ayon sa kanya ngayon lang daw siya nakatagpo ng isang boksingero na grabe sumuntok at pwede maging sumunod na Manny Pacquiao. Ramdam talaga ang lakas ng isang suntok ni John Riel Casimero sa pamamagitan ng tunog kapag tumama ito sa target. Ay tiyak lilipad ang ulo nito, dahil sa sobrang lakas nito. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Winsworld TV. Saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi, okay, alright.